Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have brought you an amazing project by the name of Glades AI, in which I will told you about Play, Train, Deploy, Exchange. Our ecosystem is built for compatibility with the AWS, Windows, IBM, ChatGPT, Meta, and much more. So in our technology, add networking communication capabilities to software, create AI from scratch using our open source libraries, web API, and Play to Train. So buy, sell, exchange, and license your AIs in our AI marketplace. Deploy and scale your AI project with ease. So next you can see it's a roadmap of 2025 in launch MVP in which coin creation, open source in basic charting, stock charting, crypto charting, financial simulations, and in basic AI features, neural network, sentiments analysis, and in integration, Discord and Telegram bot, Xbot, web API, video game integration. Next you can see it's platform enhancement in which new websites, professional branding in creative, informative, and in additional data source, more DeFi data, medical data, weather data, and sports data. In analytics, GLIDFi library, news, sentiments, AI signal for market, and in more AI features, speed updates, capabilities updates, and website integration. In ecosystem, there are two things in which first of all you can see CEX listing, in which you buy, sell, exchange, and license AIs. You train ability for a user to subscribe to your AI on the rights to your AI. Secondly, business and data analytics suite, in which enterprise subscriptions use our servers, use our model building expert. So GLD's market overview, in which market cap is 373,868 and USD price per token is 0.000394, and buy on Radium, view on Dex Screener. So on Radium you can easily swap to it. So suppose I put here one. So in one Solana you can see its token amount which is shown here is 65.804210, and its minimum received 65.475188 ray, and price impact is 0.01. So here you can see its last 24 hours volume. Same as you can see it's on Dex Screener, where its liquidity is 72k, and it have 376k market cap with 1018 tokens and 205k volume with 354 makers. Next you can see it's light paper, in which you can see its introduction, its mission, project vision, and its roadmap, its tokenomics, and its ecosystem etc. So you must read out the whole light paper so that you can understand the whole project and generate maximum earning through it. So join the conversation, connect with us on Discord, Telegram, and X to stay updates and be part of the community. So chat with the community and get the latest updates, join discussion and connect with the other users on Telegram, and follow us for the latest announcement and news. Follow us on Twitter. So on Telegram you can see it have 974 members, in which 198 are online right now. So you must join its Telegram community to get its news and updates. Same as you also must join its Twitter community, where you can get its updates and its events also, so you can retweet them to get help. So guys, that's a project today I review. I hope this video is very informative for you. Take care. Thanks.